Hello, Champion George Duarte here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how to make a phenomenal, insanely delicious, guess what? Mango and banana milkshake. Before we do that though, make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, like. We thank you guys that have supported our YouTube channel. Let the world know that we're changing people's lives one recipe at a time. So guys, here we go right now. Bam! So here we have some frozen mango, about 2 cups or so. We got about 2 frozen bananas. We have also a little slither, maybe a little bigger than a slither, of some ginger. We also have some maple syrup, and we also have some of our organic habanero powder. We also have some homemade oat milk. Look in the link, but I'll save you. Can you guys see me? Because my cameraman is falling asleep. I'm going to leave a link for you guys to see the video that I did the oat milk on. So here we go. We're going to go ahead. And by the way, this has a little bit of a kick. This is a mango and banana milkshake with a kick. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, see, you trying to hide out. Okay, that goes in there. This goes in there. Boop, boop, boop. That's frozen. We're going to put this a little bit of book, that ginger. We're going to splash a little bit of the, this is where the kick come in from, just a dash of the habanero powder. Then we're going to go ahead and pour in as much as we can of this. Yeah, there we go. Then what I'm going to see is it's got a nice little thickness to it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the apple cider. I mean, excuse me, not apple cider. This is that for the sweetness, the maple syrup. And guys, make sure, you know, we're in this climate. Make sure you keep your surfaces clean. Make sure you. See what I did? Okay, I think we're gonna get it though. Keep your surfaces clean. And also, I think I might have overfilled there. Just a little bit. Do this. I think this is gonna be good, y'all. I think this is gonna be delicious. Okay, let's try it, shall we? Ooh, hear that? Like my niece. Oh, Lord have mercy. So we'll go ahead and pour this in. Look at that. It's thick and creamy. That's what I call a milkshake. Then I'm going to put some in this side and this one here, because I know my son going to want to have some of this too. Smells divine, y'all. Wee. Now, if you don't want to add and put a little bit more. Dad, you gave me too much. You gave him more than me. I'm only playing. But seriously though, you can also put a little bit of, you know, some fresh mint on top, something like that. Now there you have it. Okay, let's taste it. Oh my Lord, this is off the hook. It's got a nice, that island type flavor of the mango, the banana creaminess, that little kick in the back of the throat from the ginger and the habanero powder, and then the sweetness from the maple syrup. That's good. Mango and banana milkshake with a kick. Make sure you guys subscribe to the link below, share this video, like this video, And more importantly, you guys, listen, we love you guys. And I'm going to also leave in the description all of the benefits of the mango, the banana, the maple syrup, and also the oat milk. And also I'm going to leave a link also for how I made the oat milk. So guys, with that said, we love you guys. God bless you guys. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. Until tomorrow, God bless you guys. You're awesome. Fired up.